Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will discuss nervous system MCQs part 1A. The middle layer of meninges is called option A durometer, B arachnoid meter, C pyometer. Correct option is B arachnoid meter. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. Which part of the brain controls breathing, heart rate and blood pressure? Option A cerebellum, B brainstem, C cerebellum, D frontal lobe. Correct option is B brainstem. Which nerve carries visual information from the eye to the brain? Option A olfactory nerve, B optic nerve, C vagus nerve, D trigeminal nerve. Correct option is B optic nerve. Velocity of conduction of impulses in type A beta. Option A 70 to 120 meters per second, B 80 to 110 meters per second, C 40 to 80 meters per second, option D 30 to 70 meters per second. Correct option is B 80 to 110 meters per second. What is the protective layer around the brain and spinal cord dash? Option A meninges, B cerebrospinal fluid, C myelin sheath, D gray matter. Correct option is B cerebrospinal fluid. What is the main function of the nervous system? Option A to produce hormones, B to regulate body temperature, C to transmit and process information, option D to produce antibodies. Correct option is C to transmit and process information. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature, hunger and thirst? Option A cerebrum, option B hypothalamus, option C brainstem, D cerebellum. Correct option is B hypothalamus. Which part of the brain coordinates movement and balance? Option A cerebrum, B cerebellum, C brainstem, option D frontal lobe. Correct option is B cerebellum. What is the process by which the brain interprets sensory information? Option A transmission, B perception, C reception, D conduction. Correct option is B perception. Which nerve is responsible for transmitting sound information from the ear to the brain? Option A olfactory nerve, B auditory nerve, C vagus nerve, option D trigeminal nerve. Correct option is B auditory nerve. What is the term for the gap between two neurons? Option A synapse, B synaptic cleft, C dendrite, option D axon. Correct option is B synaptic cleft. What is the term for the movement of an action potential along a neuron? Option A conduction, B propagation, C transmission, D reception. Correct option is B propagation. What is the term for the study of the structure and function of the nervous system. Option A, neurology. B, neuroanatomy. C, neuroscience. Option D, neurophysiology. Correct option is C, neuroscience. Which type of glial cell provides support and structure of neurons? Option A, astrocyte. B, oligodendrocyte. C, microglia. Correct option is B, oligodendrocyte. Which part of the brain processes visual information? Option A, occipital lobe. B, temporal lobe. C, parietal lobe. Option D, frontal lobe. Correct option is A, occipital lobe. What is the term for the outer layer of the brain? Option A, cerebral cortex. B, cerebral medulla. Option C, brainstem. Correct option is A, cerebral cortex. What is the term for the process by which the nervous system adapts to changes? Option A, neuroplasticity. Option B, neurogenesis. Option C, synaptic burning. Option D, myelination. Correct option is A, neuroplasticity. What is the term for the transmission of signals from one neuron to another? Option A, conduction. B, synaptic transmission. C, propagation. Option D, reception. Correct option is B, synaptic transmission. Which type of glial cell provides insulation to the neurons? Option A, astrocyte. B, oligodendrocyte. C, microglia. D, ependymal cell. Correct option is B, oligodendrocyte. Which part of the brain regulates emotions such as fear and aggression? Option A, amygdala. Option B, hippocampus. Option C, hypothalamus. And option D, cerebellum. Correct option is A, amygdala. What is the term for the study of the function of the nervous system? Option A, neuroanatomy. B, neurophysiology. Option C, neuroscience. And option D, neurology. Correct option is B, neurophysiology. Which type of neuron carries information away from the central nervous system? Option A, motor neuron. B, sensory neuron. Option C, interneuron. Correct option is A, motor neuron. Velocity of conduction of impulses in type A beta dash. Option A, 70 to 120 meters per second. B, 80 to 110 meters per second. Option C, 40 to 80 meters per second. Option D, 30 to 70 meters per second. Correct option is B, 80 to 110 meters per second. The whole nerve is covered by the tubular sheath, which is formed by an areolar membrane. This sheath is called option A, epineurium. B, perineurium. C, endometrium. Correct option is A, epineurum. Thank you for watching my videos.